Gonna do a quick unboxing video of the Pioneer DEH-S7200BHS. I ordered this for my 1991 Honda Civic hatchback DX 1.5 liter. It's got your standard options: Bluetooth, 3.5 millimeter, USB. It comes with a microphone, has a USB port, has the ability for Sirius XM if you so to wish to purchase that adapter. I believe it supports an application from Pioneer to make changes. Pioneer Smart Sync. Alright, let's open it up. Wires, some mounting screws, microphone. Quick instruction manual. Alright, here's the back of it. We got on the following from left to right: antenna, Sirius XM, fuse, main wiring harness. Top port is microphone. Bottom, I believe, is a sold separately wired remote control. I don't know if it's like a receiver or whatnot. I'm not entirely for certain. And we got 3 pairs of RCA outs. Right, left. I believe the top one's rear, middle one's front, lower one's for subwoofer. These might be programmable or adjustable for what does what. I'm not entirely for certain. Detachable front faceplate. Anyway, quick unboxing video. Techmaster 170 signing out.